Muffin? How are you? INC ka. Naku, no, hindi, guys. I finished it. I told you, sabi ko, tapos ko na. I did that first year, first sem, and first year, second stem. But, I don't know why, sa website, nakalagay siya sa deficiency ko. But, before, wala siya. So, like, bigla siyang bumalik. I don't know, yeah, I'm just doing anong binibigay nilang class and kung anong binibigay nila sa schedule ko. So, I think it's some kind of bug. Okay lang, ako single pa din. It's okay. Baka di lang posted. I don't know, I already have grades there. Akala ko ay NC ka na religion. Hello, Alejandro. Hindi guys, I'm Roman Catholic. Katoliko ako. Kailan balik mo sa school? August po. August first week, I'm school na. INC is like incomplete. Ayun. Sorry ha, INC kasi pagbasa ko, incomplete pala dapat din. Hello, Alejandro. Hello. How are you guys? So, ayun. Kaso lang, anong time ba si girls? Ayoko mag-RO, guys, alam mo ba, CET ako, officer ako dun. So, like, sa college ko, medyo interested sana ako mag-ROTC, pero pumuti kasi ako, guys. Yung pumuti na ako, hindi mo na ako kayang ilagay sa araw. So, hindi talaga ako nag-ROTC nung college na ako kasi, guys. Nung third year high school pa ako, nung time na nagte-training ako as a officer sa, yun nga, CET, guys. Super itim ko, no, as in, paano ba naman binababad, di naman kami binababad sa araw, pero pag may punishment, usually sa araw kami nalalagay, gano'n. Tapos, pawis, and then kahit umaga, 7 a.m. or 6 a.m. pinapapunta kami kahit may klase kami. Pag may ginawa kaming kasalanan, pag late ka, may punishment. Super dugyot ng itsura ko na. Super payat ko, guys. I think yun yung pinaka-payat ko na edad. Like, imagine, my height was like the same as before. Parang same as before. Parang 5'2 din. 5'2 ako before. Like, sabi ko, 5'3 na ako. My height was 5'2 and my weight, 38, 39. That's like, underweight. Underweight ako nun. So, super payat ko na, super itim na. Ayun, tumaba lang din ako recently. Doing good. How about you? I'm good po, Alejandro. Yes, the new baril, my proper handling. Yes, meron ka. Throwback pick, no way. I look bad. Meron kami rifle, ayun. Kasi nagsa-service kami, gano'n. Actually, bawal siya pag-usapan, pero like, may school, kasi yung organization namin na yun, it's a very strict, guys. We can't talk about it. Like, hindi siya pwedeng going very informal. Sobrang formal ng work. Pero what happened kasi sa school namin, since due to pandemic, kami na yung pinaka-last officer na nagkaroon ng training na traditional. Everything changed. And naging officer kami for about 3 years, guys. Kami na yung last batch, kumbaga ganun. But right now, iniba na yung rules ng organization. It's not strict anymore, but we still do the, mga service, ganun. Pero hindi mahal siguro dahil sa uniform, no? Public school era, no, hindi naman public school yung school namin. School sa uniform, malata kasi uniform ko, guys. Ewan, parang uniform ko hindi ata nagbabago. Isa lang. Kasi hindi naman ako tumataba, pumapayat, ganun. Naging candidate ka na sa Muse? Hindi, never. And wala kaming Muse sa classroom. Pero sa classroom namin, hindi naman ako yung pinakamaganda. Like, madaming maganda. Kasi, mapuputi, ganun. Usually, diba, pag sa classroom kasi, pag may mestiza kayong classmate, sila na yung news. Guys, I was not mestiza back then. I'm super morena. Pinanganak akong morena, and lumaki ako medyo, hindi man ako maitim, but I'm very morena. Hello, Archangel, Arcas. Dark Angel, sorry. Archangel daw. Hello, Dark Angel. Magulo yan pag may changes sa leadership. Yeah. Tawag din sa amin, guys. Like, what's good about that? Kasi when meron ka ng, yeah, Dark Angel. Hello, Dark Angel. Pag meron ka ng parang pag ikaw na yung leader, tapos you will lead na, tapos meron kayong alam niya na yung mga candidates na alam mo, may tawag sila sa'yo. Tapos they always greet you. Like, dapat pag nakita ka nila, they always have to greet you. So, nung ako naman yung parang candidate, guys, natatakot akong lumabas. Like, super daming rules. Bawal ka mag-social media. Natatakot din ako lumabas nun. Kasi what if makita ko yung officer ko? You have to greet. Kahit sa iba, nasa labas ka. Kasi pag nalaman nila, hindi mo siya ginit. Pag nasa position na kayo, papagalitan ka, guys. And ang hirap ng punishment sila kasi actually, umagang-umaga, 7 a.m., no breakfast, 5 a.m. kami aalis. So, we have to attend like 6 a.m. na yun. Basta guys, papa-formation kami. And dude, yung punishment is like 100 na ganun. Ay, pumpings, yeah. As in, pumping sa girls and then 100 push-ups sa boys. So, pag boys, of course, mas malala yung punishment nyo. And super stressful, but I think it's worth it naman. It's squats, yeah. Squats pala tawag dun. Iba pa yung mismong squat sa amin eh. Kasi yung squat is literally parang steady ka and ang sakit nun kasi, God, hindi ka talaga pwedeng tumayo. Like, bawal ka gumagalaw-galaw, ganun. So, sa akin, mas gusto ko yung may movement. Gusto ko yung nagbe-bend up and down, like, ganun. Mas gusto ko yung ganyan, may movement. Pag squat, literal nakaganon ka, hindi ka gagalaw. Ang sakit ng sakit, guys. So, malakas ako nun. Like, yeah. Hello, knife, good morning. Nakabend, yes. Ayun, so, I really like naman the experience. Kasi I was like, that was very memorable. During my third year high school, or grade 9. Kasi, may senior high na pala noon time na yun. So, it's not called third year high school. It's called grade 9. Squats nga. Oh, squats, yeah. Basta guys, ganun punishments namin. Lalo na pag girl ka. More on squats and basta sa legs. And then, yung push-up is girl position. Yung nakataas yung paa mo sa likod. Tapos, but never ako natuto mag-push up ng maayos, guys. I can't! Hindi ko kaya. Like, hindi ko kaya bati yung sarili ko. Though, lumakas naman yung parang physical strength ko dati. Hindi mo ako masyado bumalik. Squat yung steady. Squat. Okay. Squat kasi yung steady sa amin. Pero kaya mga twice ba? Hindi rin. It's hard. So, pero yung time na yun, doon ako natutulong mag-endure talaga ng pain. So, that's why I can do workouts. Kasi guys, pinapa-planking kami ng parang minimum of 1 minute. Minimum na yun. Ngayon mapiki mo, Claudia, notes done na po, engineer, J.A. Di ba kahit takot makita chest nyo habang push-ups? No, kasi, I think pag push-ups na ganun, mostly pag nagpapanish sa amin is kapwa babae namin na officer. So, yeah. Hindi din tayo masyadong pinapunishment ng push-ups kasi yun nga baka nakikita, di ba? But, wala naman makikita sa akin nun. Kasi sobrang payat ko. Kang proper attire.